I'm Jessica.
I'm Lizzie.
I really feel like we're soul sisters.
Jess is right brain, I'm left brain.
I think I'm both brains.
We each have 3 kids, and parenting can be tough at every stage of the game.
Your family grows, but your house stays the same.
That's right.
I feel defeated as a working single mom. I don't get that much attention on me, so.
From 2 moms to another mom.
We can relate.
Updating your home can make a massive difference.
It's pure chaos.
It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot. This is gonna be awesome. And if it's not,
Go after her.
We need to bring in life and vitality.
They are a family of 6.
So I think we need to give them storage, usable space.
I love it.
I don't know which one of you I trust to use a nail gun.
This feels like I'm in my element. Are you looking away? Yeah. You can't look away. Why? Because you're shooting the gun. Are you kidding me?
This is the same room?
We need to be celebrated.
With changing these homes, we found we can change families.
Thank you for seeing us.
We're like our fairy godmothers.
we come in and help make your home work for you.
Welcome home!
Don't worry, I'm holding down the table over here.